When that big wave finally comes to swallow the sunset, I'll be waiting, open-armed on the sunrise side of the Golden Gate Bridge, knowing I will only survive that 2-mile-high wall of water if it reminds me of you. One poem down, one more to go. If sleep is the cousin of death, then death must be my schizophrenic cousin Daniel, who reads Talmud, claims our family are direct descendants of God. And sleep drinks alone in bathrooms, claims his brain cells are not destroyed, they are merely expanded. This is how we get through the night. Kiss the backhand of a bottle of bourbon, drink aerosol spit shine through a loaded pen, eat a fistful of Vicodin for breakfast, fist fuck a church door's wood mouth. This is how we get through the night. Awoke on a pillow of my own vomit. Recall how stripped concrete sheets had made a bed for me in the mansion of my madness, my mouth. A bloody grin after dining on a banquet of pavement. Watch how men, dressed in burial suits, pause. Hey, y'all at the bar, shut up. Rewind. Men, dressed in burial suits, walk slow in mourning toward a punch clock, feeding days to their paychecks. Children back home with mouths, hungry as fresh graves. From broken condom to broken promise, that morning, daylight straight razored my gay nightlife, and I wish I hadn't told bedtime to go fuck herself. That walk home, I thank my lucky now hidden stars, there was no one to come back to. This is how we get through the night. After leaving my last lover broken in an adjacent bedroom, when we learned that our words would not help us remember how to speak to each other again, he asked me how I sleep at night. Naked as countless sheep, I told him nightly baptisms in bottles of bourbon, writing until my knuckle bleeds into the table, an alarm clock shaped like a fistful of pills, and cursing God as often as I remember he does not exist. Always fearful of waking a sleeping giant, I have learned to fall in love how I fall asleep. As fucked up as possible. This is how we. If Daniel was right, and my family are in fact direct descendants of God, and if children learn how to smile from their fathers, then God must have a grin like a cemetery with tombstone teeth pointing forward, always forward to that second cousin asleep. But I learned how to cheat the night from my mother. Cups of hot black morning resting like an infant in her palms. I wonder if I envied their closeness, if I tried to nurture this insomnia inside of me till I gave birth to my nightmares on my bed sheets in my house. We only found rest at the end of a dead nerve ending after emptying our coffee can heads, letting us fill again with stripped wool and feathers when my mother found me. A carcass lying on the carpet next to the bed like a bleeding lamb, with everything possible stripped down to empty. She asked me if I ever felt like my cousin Daniel, and I told her through gritted gravestone teeth, I said, Mom, we are all just searching for ways to finally rest in peace.